helps if you're traveling this way. You get a little picture, little scene of the traffic on I-40, and I hope this helps if you're planning a trip through this part of the country as we are today. As always, if you like what we're doing, tell us, give us some comments, give us a subscribe. Hope you have a great day. Point, the junction where we're at now, where you turn off, bypass around Knoxville, 640 there. So, just saw gas for $1.58, so getting a little cheaper. Laura reminded me she has not seen any signs for the HOV lane, so we are not in the HOV lane. Let's make sure everybody knows that. And Laura, don't look at me. She's doing a good job driving. The other half of Match Mead there. You can see traffic from 3 or 4 miles ago. What was that, about 5-10 minutes ago? Traffic was a little thicker back there, and it's getting smaller here, less congested as we get closer to Knoxville, to downtown Knoxville. So I'll keep this video going here as we go through the middle of downtown, so you can get an eye of traffic as of May 30th, 2020 on a Saturday at approximately 3:43 Eastern Time. Pan over there a little bit. UT, some of the dorms there for University of Tennessee. Go Vols?
No.
No? Laura don't like the Vols, so volunteers. I have nothing against the Volunteers, honey. I don't know why you don't like the Volunteers.
Because everybody else likes them.
We're big Marshall fans. We're Thundering Herd. Go Thundering Herd. But you can see there, I think that's the Hall of Fame for the women's basketball. Is that right?
I don't know.
I'm sure somebody will correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's what that ball is for.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
Thank you, Waze, for that report. That will be in the YouTube video. Traffic report there. So, yeah, not very bad at all. So, Laura also reminded me this is not post-COVID. This is just the reopening beginnings here on May 30th. So we're not post-COVID, we're post-quarantine, and taking a little trip here on Saturday, May the 30th, 2020. Got my chauffeur doing a great job. I wonder how much this Uber ride is going to cost me.
We'll have to see.
We'll have to see. I'm sure this ride is not free. There's always a cost. There's always
right.
a cost to everything you do.
That's what you said to Olivia.
What is the cost? All right, gang. May 30, Saturday, 2020, 3 p.m. Central, 4 p.m. Eastern. We just entered on I-40 going east into Sevier County, Tennessee. You see some gas prices there, $1.69 where we're at. We're getting ready to go into Gatlinburg, Sevierville, Pigeon Forge area, exit 407 off of I-40 East. So wanted to give you a little shot of what traffic looks like as we enter into this tourist town. Our destination today, flea market here. Looks not as busy as I would say it could be. A lot of empty parking lots. We're reopening things here in the state of Tennessee, so wanted to give everybody a perspective if you're heading this way soon. So I would say so far, not normal for coming into a travel destination on a Saturday at peak check-in time for all of these resorts and timeshares and motels and Airbnb destinations here.